Hey guys, Linda and Michelle here. We are now in Mid Beach in the Millionaire Road in Miami Beach. So we're presenting to you a beautiful building, 5757 Collins. The highlights is a newer building. Everybody wants a newer building in Miami Beach right now. And it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, right under $1 million, which is a great price for Miami Beach. And look at this, you have the ocean. You have the boardwalk, you have 2 pools. So the highlights of the building is newer building, built in 1991, boutique building, only 7 units per floor. And let us show you around.
Okay, so here we are. Welcome to 1904.
Come on in.
So here we are at our new listing at L'Excellence, apartment 1904. We love this unit because it's a 2-bedroom. We love the floor plan. You have 1 bedroom on one side of the apartment and another bedroom on the other side. All of the bedrooms are along this side, so you do have a view both of the water and the beach, as well as also onto the intracoastal. And what else? It's got a really nice walk-in closet, the master bedroom has, and very nice big size bathroom too. The kitchen is very nicely equipped. It also has a pantry.
So yeah, one of my favorite features, like Michelle was saying, is the view. Not only you have actually the southeast view, which is the best view of the ocean, but you also have the intracoastal view, and you see downtown. And I kind of love that because downtown at night is beautiful, like
lots of lights.
Yeah, lots of lights, and imagine having a glass of wine here, contemplating downtown and the beach. So come and see it. It's a price very well. It's right below the $1 million mark, and it's not too many updated units at that price.
It's a great size apartment. It's 1,500 square feet, so that makes it really nice and livable.
Yes. Oh, and for our investor or second homes clients, in this building you can do rentals twice a year with the minimum of 6 months. So it's the perfect situation where you rent it for 6 months, you pay for all of the expenses of the year, and then you enjoy it for another 6 months.
That's right.
Maybe I'll buy it.